guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Anshika Craft Card Draw. Today I have brought a wonderful video on how to make a file or folder. You can even say it as an envelope for keeping things. Like I have kept my erasers, my diaries and also some of my sketch pens. And that's it is going to be very helpful. To make it more simple, it is just going to be a very cute envelope for keeping your things. So without any delay, let's start. Firstly, we have to take a paper of 22.5 cm length and 12 cm breadth. Then we are going to mark 4.5 cm and 9 cm, again 9 cm. We have to fold it wherever we have marked. In this way, it takes the shape of an envelope. Now cut the extra portion which is not required. Then just give it a curved shape from all the sides, which will just add to its beauty. Now in the envelope, from downwards we are going to take 1.5 cm, and then from left and right side we will mark 5.4 cm, and we'll just make a shape like this. We have to cut the parts. And we have to curve all the edges. Now we have to take a pink shape and place it behind the upper portion, and we have to just glue it. Cut the extra portion. And now glue the end portion in this way. And then make some designs, like I'm making some hearts, and then I'm just going to add some border. Next we are just going to take some thin sheet of paper, and we will just glue the ends to the envelope. Now we can easily open and close it. Yes. Below we will make some hearts with sketch pens and then color it with color pencils. Make little flag sort of things with sketch pens and color with pencil colors. So now our envelope is ready. Thanks for watching.